All right, good morning. Today we're going to start off with a little bit of review of some transformations. You don't need to pull on Delta Math, but just take a look here. If we had this original parent function, the absolute value, and it shifted over to this dotted one, as you can see, it gets shifted right 4, up 1. So we look at our options, right 4, up 1. Remember, to the right is the opposite of what we would expect, so -4, so it's one of these. Up 1, it's going to be the +1 here. So that would be the shift, the transformation that would get it right 4, up 1. Okay, so next one. This one looks like it goes right 5, down 3. Same thing, -5, but down 3, it'll be right here. Let's see, hopefully there's other things besides absolute values. There we go. Here's a quadratic. It needs to get flipped. Okay, so we know it's flipped over the x-axis, so the negative will be at the front. So we can get rid of these two right from the start. It's one of these. And then it needs to go to the left 3. Left 3 will be +3 here. We'll do one or two more. Here, this shape isn't one we've really dealt with. We don't have a parent function. But as you can see, choose any specific point that's identifiable easily. So like right here, it needs to go left 1. And down, it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4. So left 1 is +1, down 4 right there. And we'll do one more. Another absolute value, it's flipped and to the left one. So since flipped over the x-axis, the negative is at the front. Left one here, +1. So with that being said, here's just our generic f of x. We're going to move it, but first let's practice identifying some things about it. So can someone tell me where f of x is increasing? Okay, that would be a question I would ask you. Okay, so hopefully you can tell me. But it is increasing anywhere it is climbing, so it is going higher. And one thing we got to notice on this is it's not going by ones. These are, every space is a half of a unit. But so if it goes increasing, it is climbing. It'll be from right here. We care about the x value, so -2 all the way to 4. Okay, so it's increasing from -2 to 4. Now, where is it decreasing? Some of you might be tempted to say from -infinity, but notice there are no arrows. So it starts right here. That would be at -5. It decreases until -2. Now, the next question, where is it positive? Okay, positive, remember, means above the x-axis. So right here is where it starts being positive at that point 1. And it stays positive all the way till the end at 4. Once again, if we would throw an arrow on the end, if there was an arrow right here like that, it would be from 1 to infinity. But it does not have the arrow, so we know it stops at that point at 4. So we are done. Now some of you might be saying, well, I don't know what that value is. What's the y value? We don't care. All we care about is that x value. Okay, and then the final thing I want us to talk about quick is where is it negative? And once again, we care about this point. So it's going to be from -5 to -1. Oops, that was a -1 there. I forgot on the last one. So -5 to -1. All right. So now let us move this. So it says the new graph should match. We started with y of f of x, or y equals f of x. The new one is y equals f of x minus 3 plus 2. So -3 we know means right 3 when it's inside the parentheses. Plus 2 means up 2. Okay, so we can choose any points. I'm going to make it easy on myself. I'm going to choose the endpoints. Okay, so right here, right 3, be careful. That's not over 1, 2, 3, up 2. That's over 1, 2, 3, and then up 2 would be 1, 2. So I'm going to put a dot right there. That's where one of the points will be. This next one, over 1, 2, 3, up 2, puts us right on that axis. And finally here, over 1, 2, 3, up 2. Our final one maybe is a little bit more difficult because it's kind of in the middle, but 1, 2, 3, up. Let's see, 1, and then up 2. That'll do. And now we connect the dots. 1, 2, and the third one. And as you can see, it is the same shape, just scooted over to the right and up. So we flip to the back now, and there's one more we're going to do. Our shape, we're not going to analyze this, but if we wanted to, we definitely could, right? It's positive from -5 to -2, from 2 to 3. It's negative from -2 to 2. Increasing from -4 to 3, decreasing from -5 to 0. Oops, I made a mistake. It's increasing from 0 to 3. Remember, we care about the x value. So this is y equals f of x. It's y equals f of x plus 4 plus 3. So that's going to be left 4 and up 3. So now, once again, we grab any of these points. So we'll start here. Left 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 2, 3. Next, down here, left 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 2, 3. So this one is left 1, 2, 3, 4. Up 1, 2, 3. The final one is a little difficult because you'll notice if I move this point left 1, 2, 3, it goes off. Okay, so we'll come in closer to that point as left 1, 2, 3, 4. That puts us right on the edge. Up 1, 2, 3. It's not going to be the whole shape that we will see, but it will be most of it. Okay, the other part would be extended off to the side. So there we go. There we go. And note this keeps going further, but that is all we can see. Okay? And as you can see, it's the same shape, just shifted left and up. So today, I'm not giving you a new Delta Math. However, several of you are far behind, so we need to get caught up, get to work, get some of that done. Hope you guys have a great day, and if you have questions, please reach out. Bye.